Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a Mitsubishi Shogun 2005 plate. It's a 3.2 litre diesel, and might I say it's an absolutely lovely car. It's a friend of mine's car, and I actually feel quite honoured to work on it because, yeah. This is a bit of a re-record for the starting, so when I actually insert the footage in a bit, I will be wearing different clothes, but I seem to have lost the starting footage and failed to record the ending footage. So let's get started now, and I'll start by walking you around the car first. This is the beauty that I've got the privilege of working on today. Like I say, it's a Mitsubishi Shogun 3.2, and doesn't that just look so smart? I'll come further back. Lovely car. I'm in dreamland, I think. And the loveliness extends to the inside as well. But anyway, let's get this jacked up and get this wheel off, because it's this one where I need to change the caliper. So that's all the wheel nuts off, and they're all 21mm nuts. Before anyone says anything, I have got it jacked up just on the trolley jack, but that's only because I have no intention of going under this vehicle. I'm literally just working from the side. 14mm socket on the 3/4 inch wrench. Just crack the flexi loose because we're changing the caliper. 14 again on the pinch bolts. One pinch bolt out. Another pinch bolt out. Rubber covers can come off because I got all new of those. Caliper can come off. So you may need like a flathead screwdriver or something to kind of pry in there, just to pull on the caliper, just to take up the slack, so you can then get this off and then undo this 14mm this bolt here that I've just undone earlier. You get two new copper washers, so we'll pop them on. So the new caliper's now on. I'll just leave that sitting there for a moment. Pop that pad into place like so. This pad now clips onto here. Those bits go into those nodules there, and this bit has to clip over, so this is going to be quite tricky, I think. But possibly with the help of a screwdriver. Yeah. Oh. And that locks into there like so. That can now sit on there like that. We've got some new grease, some new pins, and some new boots, rubber boots. There's some grease on there. Slide that into where it needs to go. New ones are 14s as well. Right, so that's now all done. Caliper should move nice and freely, which it does for now, because I've got to bleed it up. So that's the next job. I'm going to quickly bleed this up and then I'll bring you back. So that is this side all done and all finished off, and I'm literally just going to put what's left of the new pads on the other side. So I'm literally going to get this wheel back on and drop it down, and I'm going to go to the other side and do the other side, but I'm not going to record the other side because it's the same as this, except I'll be using the old caliper and just winding it back, which you've seen me do in a previous video, and it's easy enough to do that. Just on the other side I'll be cracking the bleed nipple, winding the piston back, and then putting two new pads in. So like I said, same principle, but it's just literally, so if you need to know, these three are all 14mm. That comes off nice and easily, and I've put new boots in and new pins in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. As I said at the start of the video, I failed to record the ending, so I am still sitting in my little white ZX kind of doing the end outtakes of this. Hope it's informative enough for what I've been able to get as far as footage. I kind of needed to get the work done rather sharpish because the chap needed his car back quite quickly, and I just needed to get the job done. So I will say there'll be another video up in this top corner for you to look at if you're interested, and my subscribe icon will be down in this bottom corner. Please consider subscribing as it helps the channel grow. But for now guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.